What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a quick look at Trias here, and as we can see, things looking pretty damn good to be honest. I mean, obviously the market been rolling over ever since about the 10th of November, where we did see Bitcoin start to roll. It's been dragging lots of cryptos down, including Trias here. You can see quite clearly ever since then. We've been in a pretty strong downtrend, coming down, trying to find support, getting a little bit of a relief rally, but then rolling over deeper here for a little bit of an extended correction. Obviously, we are getting some nice bullish divergences on our histogram here as well, though. So we do think the momentum to the downside for Trias does seem to be lessening here. And if we look at the hourly time frame, you can see we are getting pretty damn overextended on our RSI as well. But just take a look at this. The last time that we were this oversold, just keep going back, was basically down here when we were at around $6, and basically reaching the end of this previous descending wedge, which is what we're currently in as well for Trias. You can see here a bit of a descending wedge here. We come down, we get really oversold on this final bit of a bullish divergence with the RSI bottoming out, but the price action coming down. You get the bounce and obviously the breakout, the back testing continuation for higher prices. And it looks as though we are doing something similar here. You can see we come down, we got very overextended here on the RSI, which is all the way up here actually. We come down, we keep coming down all the way on the hourly time frame. We're extending quite far down here into our RSI, getting very oversold right now. And you can see obviously we've come down to a good level of support as well, where we could find a decent bounce in and around that $12.5 area. But overall, we'd say Trias looking pretty good on a macro perspective. I mean, looking at this daily time frame, looks like we're forming a very, very nice cup and handle. You can see big parabolic move to the upside. Obviously, this is pretty much a hockey stick, isn't it? Let's be honest. And then obviously you can see we've come down, we've come back up. We've pretty much got to the all-time high, but not quite. Obviously, we got front run by that rollover for Bitcoin, but you can see we've got the cup here. And if we come down, we find support in and around this area here at around $11. Previous level of support here. We could see the candle forming, forming like this. And if that's the case, obviously, when we do get up towards that level again at around the all-time high of $32, we're looking at a very nice little breakout target for Trias if that's the case. If I throw the Fibonacci retracement tool onto this here, from the all-time high down to the low that we saw, what was the low? It was like $2.50. That's an absolutely insane rollover. And you can see some of the key levels that we are actually targeting here. Let me just make this a bit more transparent. I do like the fibs to be a bit more transparent, just so you can see a bit more of the chart. It's better. So you can see here, obviously Trias absolutely, respecting the fibs like a beast here. You can see we come up, resistance flipped into support, resistance. We try and push onwards, but we fall back inside here. We come down again, support all along the 038 here. Fibonacci retracement level. We come up, fighting in and around the 050, we break through, we back test, we come all the way up, we break all the way through the 618 as well, back test to support, all the way up to the 078, we come all the way up to this swing high area at around $26.5, and then obviously rolling over here, we lose the 078, come back up, retest it as resistance, roll over to our next level, which is our 618, which is what we've basically come down and back tested right now. You can see we've come down to the 618 here, got a bit of support, getting a bit of a bounce in that area. And we'd say this is probably quite a decent area to get, a good bounce. You'd say you could potentially sweep the lows like this, start to bottom out, and essentially get a bounce to the upside if that's the case. But overall, we'd say Trias looking pretty good. Let me just save this chart so that it doesn't get deleted next time we cover it. Overall, just having a bit of a retracement right now with the market quite heavily correlated to Bitcoin, but Trias looking like a really good quality project. And we do think that, if this is a nice big cup, and then we get this handle where we sweep the 618, come back to the all-time high and break out, we could be looking at some very nice price targets for Trias pretty soon. So obviously short-term price predictions If we roll over, we'd expect that 618 to hold at around $12, but if we came any lower than that, we've obviously got some support here at around $10.50. If we move to the upside, we are targeting the 078 again at around $18. And then we do want to come up towards the all-time high at $32, and beyond that, we do have some very nice extensions here. The 127, for example, at around $62. The 161 here at $150, obviously a massive 227 extension at around $800, which would obviously be an absolutely crazy, what is that? From the current price, we're looking at an 80x, which is obviously absolutely crazy, almost 100x on your money. That would be a very ridiculous price movement, to say the least. Obviously, these price targets are complete speculation and conjecture at this point, but we do think with that cup and handle, we could be looking at a pretty decent price target for Trias once it does start to make its way back to the upside. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.